All right, for today, we are on our independent practice pages, which normally you would do in class on your own, and then I would check them. So I want to do the same thing even though we're remote learning. So after you finish these pages, I want you to send me a message on Teams or Schoology and let me know. Then I want to talk to you about the answers. That way I know you're ready before you take your quiz. So I'm not going to give you the answers to this, but I'm going to maybe guide you a little bit. So as you're completing these, I want you to solve them. Number 1, Simon is organizing his 36 toy cars into equal-sized piles. Which list shows all the possible numbers of cars that could be in each pile? So you're going to go through A, B, C, and D and make sure that you could have that many rows, that many cars in each row. Make sure that they are factors of 36. So do skip counting. Make a list here to help you or on a separate sheet of paper. And then once you solve it, see what the answer is. Number 2, and you can pause the video while you work through number 1 and then press play again when you're ready for number 2. All right, number 2, Reggie ate 31 raisins. Which correctly describes 31 as a prime number or a composite number and tells the number of factor pairs 31 has. So we're looking at different information in A, B, C, and D. So we have to know, is it prime or composite? If you think it's prime, mark C and D out. If you think it's composite, mark A and B out. Then move on to how many factor pairs it has, and then circle the correct answer. Number 3, Sarah is playing a memory card game with 24 cards. She wants to lay the cards out in rows. Shade in 24 boxes below to show one way that she could lay out the cards. Now, we've worked with 24 throughout this lesson, and we know there are several different ways that will work, but you only need to do one way that works and make sure that your cards are in equal rows. So go ahead and shade those in. Number 4. Remember, pause your video while you're working, and when you're ready for number 4, press play. Tell whether each sentence is true or false. A, the number 96 is a multiple of 8. That means all the factors of 8 are also factors of 96. So let's think about what that question's asking us. The number 96 is a multiple of 8. That means if we count by 8s, we're going to hit 96. All the factors of 8 are also factors of 96. So that one is asking us that all the factors of 8 are also factors of 96. So all the factors of 8. So if we do another factor of 8, 16. So 16 must be a factor of 96. So you can add 16 and see if you get 96. If you do, then that must be true. So work out the problem. Really dissect what it's asking. That one's tricky. Part B. The number 1 is prime. True or false? The number 1 is composite. True or false? The number 2 is prime. True or false? The number 9 has 4 factors. So I would find the factors of 9, and then I would know if it's true or false. So pause through, work through that, and then we're going to start number 5. There are 15 cousins playing a game. They need to divide evenly into teams. Draw a model to show one way they can split into teams. Then decide if 15 is a prime number or a composite number. Show your work. So you're working with 15 people. You can use them, make them squares, make them dots. Show me how you could arrange them into teams, and then answer, fill in the blank. Is it prime or composite? Number 6. A pack of toy cars contains 12 cars. If Sylvia buys some packs, so we don't know how many, what are 2 possible numbers of cars that she could buy? Okay, so show your work. Draw me a pack, put the toy cars in it, and then down here, I need what are 2 possible ways she could buy. So she could buy this many cars, or she could buy this many cars. If you have any questions, please let me know, as I am here to help you. Have a great day.